In today's video, I'm going to teach you uninstall Photoshop. We'll walk through removing it cleanly, reinstalling it to a new drive using the Creative Cloud app, and if you want a performance boost, pointing Photoshop's scratch disk to that new location. Let's start with the uninstall. On Windows, open the control panel, go to Programs, then choose Uninstall a program, find Adobe Photoshop in the list, select it and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts. This process removes the application but doesn't delete your personal files. If Photoshop is open, close it before you begin so the uninstaller can finish without errors. On a Mac, you can uninstall via the Creative Cloud app, which is the cleanest route, or drag the Photoshop app from Applications to the trash and then empty the trash. Using the Creative Cloud app helps make sure related components are removed as well. Now let's reinstall on a new drive. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in if prompted. Go to Preferences, then Apps, and look for Install Location. Choose the drive where you want Photoshop to live, such as D+ on Windows or an external SSD you've connected. Make sure that drive has plenty of free space and stays connected if it's external. This setting tells Creative Cloud where to place new installs. With that set, go back to the Apps tab and reinstall Photoshop. You'll see it installed to the drive you selected. If you only want Photoshop on that drive and prefer other apps to go elsewhere, you can change the install location again after Photoshop finishes installing. For an optional but helpful optimization, adjust Photoshop's scratch disk. The scratch disk is where Photoshop stores temporary working files. Moving it off a crowded system disk can noticeably improve performance. Open Photoshop, then on Windows go to Edit Preferences, Scratch Disks. On a Mac, go to Photoshop in the menu bar, Preferences, then Scratch Disks. Check the new drive to enable it as a scratch disk and uncheck your main drive if you want to keep it free. Aim for a drive with plenty of free space and good speed, like an SSD. Apply your changes, and if Photoshop asks you to relaunch, go ahead so the new setting takes effect. That's it. You've uninstalled Photoshop, reinstalled it on a new drive, and optionally moved the scratch disk for better performance. Enjoy the extra space.